In this video clip, I'm going to show you how to start a discussion or reply to a discussion that's already started. So each page in the Logic Model Wiki has its own discussion tool. So I'm on the home page right now, and there is a discussion button right here. When I hover the cursor over it, it lights up, and there's a 1 there because I actually started a discussion thread, so that's why there is a 1. So if you click on that, it takes you here, and you can search posts. So there is a search tool right here. So at some point, if this became really rich and full of conversations, it would be easy to find things using that search tool. If you want to start a new thread, a new discussion, you would click on the new post. If you wanted to respond to somebody's post, you would click on it here. So I started something called feedback on the wiki as a ... It was too long of a title. So if you click on that, here is the post that I put up. Feedback on the wiki as an interactive logic model tool, and then I post some questions. So if you wanted to respond to some of those questions, you could do that. Now if you look down here, it says please sign in to post messages. It's fast and free to join. So if you have not joined wikispaces, it is free. It just takes a couple seconds. So if you click on the join, it will take you to a page where you get to pick a username, a password, you put in your email address, where it says make a wiki. You can say yes if you want to start a new wiki, but I would just say no for right now and head back to our wiki. So I'm going to go back to a different browser window where I'm already signed in. Alright, so here's what it looks like when you're signed in. So you can see what the post that I put together, and then it kind of looks like an email, right? So the subject line, it's regarding the feedback on the wiki as an interactive logic model, and your reply would be right there, and then you click post when you're done. So let's say, I'm going to go back. Let's say you wanted to start a new post. So you don't want to respond to my silly question. You want to pose a new question, or you want feedback on something, or just throw an idea out. You click on the new post, and just like an email, here's the subject line, here's what you write, you click post, and that gets added down here as another threaded discussion. Okay, so each page in our logic model wiki has that function, so it makes sense. On our home page, we would probably want to have discussions about bigger logic model issues. If we were on, I'm going to go to the preconceptions and reasoning. If we click on that discussion button, you can see I put a question here, preconceptions, bullet wording. Do you have any suggestions for rewording this bullet? The actual logic model wording is reveal preconceptions and their initial reasoning. So if you have an idea, you could reply to that here, click post, and we could have a lot of people's ideas. So notice this is specific to that one bullet, whereas on the home page, the discussion was kind of a bigger discussion. So hopefully people will have a chance to sign in if they already have an account, and if you don't have an account with Wikispaces, to please join and get some conversations going. Thank you.